Unlock the power of passive income by transforming your WordPress website into an advertising powerhouse with Google AdSense. First, you'll need to get your unique AdSense code log into your Google AdSense account and navigate to the Ads section here. You'll find the option to get an ad unit. Alternatively, if you've just been approved, you might be prompted directly to get your site-wide ad code, which is what we'll focus on for a seamless integration. Once you've generated your site-wide ad code, carefully copy the entire snippet. This is the key that will connect your website to the Google AdSense network. Now, let's get this code onto your website. The most direct way is to place it in your theme's header in your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance, and then select Theme File Editor. In the Theme File Editor, locate the header file you're looking for. The closing less than head tag. It's crucial to paste your AdSense code right before this tag. Paste the AdSense code you copied earlier directly above the less than head tag. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters. Then, click the Update File button to save your changes. For an even easier method, especially if you're hesitant about editing theme files, you can use a plugin. Go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for a reputable AdSense insertion plugin, such as Ad Inserter or Sitekit by Google. Install and activate your chosen plugin. Follow the plugin's instructions to paste your AdSense code into the designated header section. Most plugins provide a simple interface for this. Once saved, your ad should start appearing on your site within a short period, pending Google's review and approval. And that's it. You've successfully added Google AdSense code to your WordPress website, paving the way for monetizing your valuable content. Happy earning!